Mediterranean diet, the healthiest way to lose weight. Source: Fitness Guide. The Mediterranean diet refers to the diet styles of vegetables, fruits, fish, whole grains, beans and olive oil in countries such as Greece and France on the Mediterranean coast. The study found that the Mediterranean diet can reduce the risk of heart disease, protect the brain from vascular damage, and reduce the risk of stroke and memory loss. Mediterranean diet principle. 1. Based on plant foods, it contains a large amount of fruits, vegetables, potatoes, whole grains, beans, nuts, etc. 2. The food is simply processed, using local and seasonal fresh fruits and vegetables as ingredients to reduce the loss of vitamins and antioxidants during cooking. 3. Cooking with olive oil rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, reducing the use of animal oils rich in saturated fatty acids and various margarines. Fat can account for up to 35% of total dietary energy, while saturated fatty acids account for less than 7% to 8%. 4. Eat some low-fat or skim milk, yogurt and cheese. 5. Eat low-fat, high-protein white meat products such as fish or poultry twice a week. 6. Eggs no more than 7 a week. Cooking methods are not limited, also recommended no more than 4. 7. Replace desserts, sweets, honey, and pastries with fresh fruits. 8. Reduce red meat intake, 350 to 550 grams per month. Try to use lean meat. 9. With a modest amount of red wine, no more than 2 cups a day for men, no more than 1 cup for women. Mediterranean diet 1 week recipe recommended. Day 1. Breakfast: 1 cup of soy milk 200 milliliters, oatmeal 5 porcelain spoon 60 grams, 1 egg 50 grams. Lunch: 1 piece of fish 50 grams, 1 set of vegetables 250 grams, 1 bowl of rice 150 grams. Dinner: 1 plate of vegetables 250 grams, half bowl of red bean rice 100 grams, half and half of red beans and rice, half a dragon fruit 200 grams. Meal: peanut kernel 20 capsules. Day 2. Breakfast: 1 cup of skimmed milk 200 milliliters, 1 small sweet potato 100 grams, 1 small banana 70 grams. Lunch: lean meat 60 grams, vegetable 1 dish 250 grams, pumpkin brown rice 1 bowl 150 grams. Dinner: 1 dish 250 grams, 1 bowl of cereal 200 grams, 1 apple 160 grams. Meal: sunflower seeds 20 grams. Day 3. Breakfast: 1 piece of cheese 10 grams, 1 piece of wholemeal bread 40 grams, 1 piece of Sydney 200 grams. Lunch: peeled chicken 80 grams, vegetable 1 dish 250 grams, multigrain porridge 1 bowl 200 grams. Dinner: 1 dish 250 grams and 8 dumplings 160 grams. Meal: hazelnut kernel 20 grams. Day 4. Breakfast: 1 cup 200 milliliters of skimmed milk, 5 porcelain spoons 60 grams of oatmeal, 1 egg 50 grams. Lunch: peeled chicken 80 grams, vegetable 1 dish 250 grams, red bean rice half bowl 100 grams, red bean rice half. Dinner: lean meat 50 grams, vegetable 1 dish 250 grams, sweet potato 150 grams. Meal: 1 bunch of grapes 200 grams. Day 5. Breakfast: 1 cup of soy milk 250 milliliters, 1 grain of steamed bread 60 grams. Lunch: 2 pieces of salmon 100 grams, 1 set of vegetables 250 grams, 1 bowl of miscellaneous porridge 200 grams. Dinner: 1 dish of vegetables 250 grams, 1 bowl of brown rice 150 grams, 1 small glass of wine 100 milliliters. Meal: 15 almonds. Day 6. Breakfast: yogurt 150 milliliters, medium sweet potato 150 grams. Lunch: 2 pieces of yellow croquet 100 grams, 1 set of vegetables 250 grams, 1 bowl of miscellaneous porridge 200 grams. Dinner: peeled chicken 50 grams, vegetable 1 dish 250 grams, brown rice 1 bowl 150 grams, wine 1 small cup 100 milliliters. Meal: 1 guava 200 grams. Day 7. Breakfast: 1 cup of soy milk 250 milliliters, 1 corn 150 grams, 1 egg 50 grams. Lunch: 2 pieces of sea fish 100 grams, 1 set of vegetables 250 grams, 1 bowl of rice 150 grams. Dinner: 1 dish 250 grams, 1 apple 160 grams, 1 bowl of rice 150 grams. Meal, 15 shelled almonds.